Benefits, disadvantages, and right time to drink tea. Benefits of tea. 1. Boosts energy. Tea contains caffeine that removes fatigue. 2. Refreshes the mind, increases focus and alertness. 3. Good for the heart. Green or black tea contains antioxidants that protect the heart. 4. Helps digestion. Ginger or herbal tea helps in digestion. Disadvantages of tea. 1. Too much caffeine can disturb sleep. 2. May increase acidity or gas in the stomach. 3. Interferes with iron absorption. Drinking excess tea reduces the body's ability to absorb iron. Right time to drink tea. 1 cup after breakfast in the morning. 30 to 60 minutes after lunch. Not too much in the evening, so it doesn't affect sleep. Avoid tea on an empty stomach, as it can cause acidity. If you spend at least 5 minutes drinking tea, sipping slowly and enjoying. 8. Better digestion, reduces pressure on the stomach. 2. Relaxation and refreshment, you enjoy the taste and aroma. 3. Less effect on sleep and heart, drinking too fast absorbs caffeine quickly, affecting sleep and heart. Suggestions. Drink tea in small sips. Finish 1 cup in around 5 minutes. Enjoy tea without distractions like phone or TV. Types of tea. 8. Black tea. Caffeine. High. Taste. Strong and slightly bitter. Benefit. Boosts energy, improves alertness. When to drink. Morning or afternoon. Disadvantage. Too much can disturb sleep. Though. Green tea. Caffeine. Low. Taste. Light and refreshing. Benefit. Antioxidants strengthen heart and immunity. Helps with weight control and metabolism. When to drink. Morning or afternoon. Light green tea is okay on an empty stomach. 3. Herbal tea. Caffeine. Very little or none. Taste. Floral, herbal or spiced. Benefit. Improves digestion. Reduces stress and helps with sleep. When to drink. Evening or night. Safe even before bedtime. 4. Oolong tea. Caffeine. Between black and green tea. Taste. Light and fruity, sometimes bitter. Benefit. Boosts metabolism, converts food into energy. Helps in weight loss. When to drink. 1 to 2 cups a day. Summary. Black tea, energy and alertness. Green tea, health and weight control. Herbal tea, digestion and relaxation. Oolong tea, metabolism and light refreshment. Easy step-by-step methods to make tea. 1. Black tea. Ingredients. 1 cup water. 1 छोटा चम्मच black tea leaves or 1 tea bag. Sugar or honey optional. Milk optional. Method. 1. Boil water. 2. Add black tea leaves. 3. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes. 4. Strain into a cup. 5. Add milk and sugar. 6. Serve hot. 2. Green tea. Ingredients. 1 cup water. 1 छोटा चम्मच green tea leaves or 1 tea bag. Honey optional. Method. 1. Heat water to 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. Do not boil. 2. Add green tea leaves. 3. Cover and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Strain into a cup. 5. Add honey and drink. Note. Boiling green tea makes it taste bitter. 3. Herbal tea. Ingredients. 1 cup water. 1 to 2 teaspoons herbal tea leaves, tulsi, ginger, mint, chamomile. Honey or lemon optional. Method. 1. Boil water. 2. Add herbal tea leaves. 3. Boil for 5 to 7 minutes. 4. Strain into a cup. 5. Add honey or lemon and drink. 4. Oolong tea. Ingredients. 1 cup water. 1 छोटा चम्मच oolong tea leaves. Honey optional. Method. 1. Heat water to 90 degrees Celsius. 2. Add oolong tea leaves. 3. Cover and steep for 3 to 5 minutes. 4. Strain into a cup. 5. Add honey and drink.